you got this, you got this. Queen. And I can guarantee that if y'all say this in front of y'all Japanese friends, y'all gonna be sounding very, very natural. Hey, what up, cuz? Welcome back to my casual Japanese shadowing series, bro. Today, we're gonna do this phrase on the screen. Today, we're gonna do this phrase on the screen, which is very motivational and very casual. And the phrase is, 今日も疲れたけど、目標のためにジム行くか。I'm tired as usual today, but I'm still hitting the gym for my goal. Let's break it down together. And then we'll shadow this multiple times until you get used to it. You know what I'm saying? Let's get started. So the first part, 今日も疲れたけど、今日も疲れたけど. So this means I'm tired as usual today, but let's break it down. This 今日も means today as well. And after that, I say 疲れた, which means I'm tired. 疲れた is a past tense of a verb 疲れる, which means to get tired. You know what I'm saying? So which means, so 疲れた is got tired. Or like right now, I'm tired. Then after that, I say けど. This simply means but. So 今日も疲れたけど. If you directly translate this, then it's gonna be like today as well, I got tired, but when you say it more naturally, I think it's gonna be like I'm tired as usual today, but let's practice this part 3 times with me. 今日も疲れたけど。今日も疲れたけど。For the last one, I will say a little faster. 今日も疲れたけど。So the second part, I say 目標のために. This 目標 means a purpose or a goal. And then のために means for the sake of something. So 目標のために. This means like, you know, for my goal. Because I have a goal. Well, let's say it slowly 2 times and a little faster 1 time. You can repeat after me or you can say it with me if you want to. Let's do it. 目標のために目標のために I'll say it fast. 目標のために Well, so let's do the last part, which is ジム行くか。ジム行くか。So ジム is obviously a Japanglish version of gym. And then this 行く is simply to go, you know, to go. This か is a casual particle showing that you're kind of thinking aloud or like kind of like asking yourself, ジム行くか. Yeah, I should go to the gym, right? ジム行くか. I guess I'll go to the gym. This か is used a lot in a casual Japanese situations. Now let's put it all together and shadow with me. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so I'll say 3 times with a little slower speed. So repeat after me. And after that, I'll say 2 times with a little faster, more casual, like in a real life speed. 3, 2, 1. 今日も疲れたけど、目標のためにジム行くか。今日も疲れたけど、目標のためにジム行くか。Nice, nice, nice. One more time with a slower pace. 今日も疲れたけど、目標のためにジム行くか。Okay, you got this, you got this. Queen. So now, I will put a little emotion of like, oh, I'm tired. but I will do it. I will still do it. You know, acting is also very important. Let's repeat it 2 times with me, with emotions. 3, 2, 1. 今日も疲れたけど、目標のためにジム行くか。One more time, one more time. 3, 2, 1. 今日も疲れたけど、目標のためにジム行くか。Okay, okay, okay. You nailed it. Amazing, bro. So today's phrase was 今日も疲れたけど、目標のためにジム行くか。Y'all did an amazing job, bro. You know what I'm saying? Let's keep it up. Let's keep it up. And I can guarantee that if y'all say this in front of y'all Japanese friends, y'all gonna be sounding very, very natural. They're gonna start to laugh and say, you know what I'm saying? Let's mess with them. Let's do it. Let's do it, bro. Thank you very much for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe, comment. Any comment is appreciated. And then please share this video with somebody that you think they're gonna get benefit from watching this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.